Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I came up with three beautiful, brilliant Angular 21 admin dashboard templates and all are free of cost in free version. Also, they have the paid version as well. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So you can see the first is core UI Angular admin template. See, it's also available in free version. See the toggle sidebar and the top section with dark and light view. See friends, brilliant and with beautiful charts. See, works well, and also it is very popular. See guys, go ahead and few pages you will get in free version as well. These are those pages. And the next we have the Mantis admin dashboard template and also available in free and paid version as well. It and see, available in dark and light view as well. See, beautiful charts, beautiful section as well. And last but not the least, we have the very Angular admin dashboard template. See, again, it's available in both the free and paid version as well. See, guys, again, dark and light view as well. See, I personal like its dark color. See the beautiful chart, beautiful sections. See, my friends, just brilliant. And friends, I will also share all the links inside the video description. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. And guys, I must say, please subscribe my channel. And after it, I will come with more free stuffs. And well, Happy New Year and thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.